In today's video, I am going to teach you how to receive online payments with Stripe. Start by making sure you are logged into your Stripe dashboard and on the home page. From the left-hand sidebar, click Payment Links. This is where you can create a simple payment page that you can share with customers. Next, click Create Payment Link. You will then choose the product you want to sell. If the product already exists in your Stripe account, select it from the list. If not, create a new product and enter the required details before continuing. After that, review the payment link settings carefully. Confirm the product, the price, and the quantity options. You can also check any available payment settings that Stripe gives you for that link. Once everything looks correct, click Create Link. Stripe will generate your payment link right away. Now copy the payment link. You can share it with your customers in whatever way works best for your business. For example, you can send it through email, messaging apps, social media, or place it directly on your website. When customers open the link, they will be able to complete their payment online. If you want to accept recurring payments instead of one-time payments, go back to the left-hand menu and expand Billing. Then select Subscriptions. Click Create Subscription to begin the setup. From there, choose the customer, select the recurring product, and review the billing options. Complete the setup to create the subscription. If you need to request payment with an invoice, stay under the Billing section and open Invoices. Click Create Invoice. Then add the customer and include the products or services you want to charge for. Once the invoice is ready, send it to your customer so they can pay through Stripe. You can also review the payment methods available in your account. To do that, click the Settings icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the Settings area, open Payments. There you can review the payment methods supported by your account and enable the ones you want to offer to customers. Using payment links, subscriptions, and invoices gives you several ways to collect payments online through Stripe. Each option works well for different business needs, whether you are collecting a one-time payment, setting up recurring billing, or sending a direct invoice. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.